I'm so happy to be here, yeah. I'm just happy to be here. Still I know the world's on fire, the situation's dire. A lot of work and courage gonna be required, but I'm just happy to be here. I'm sure there's many versions inside this multiverse where I put it in forward instead of in reverse, or the technical skill I neglected to rehearse understandably landed me handedly in the world I hurt. It could be worse, I could be cursed to be living a life stuck on a different timeline where I never find time to discover my path and never ask.
By a jumbo jet, it wasn't easy, but nothing is.
I'm just happy to be here.